If your kids are fans of the Jonas Brothers Band, then there's a chance you could win free tickets to their upcoming concert.
Yeah, all you have to do is help a local 14-year-old girl with her dream to help others. Keith Jones reports.
Like the golden ticket in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Jonas Brother tickets are highly coveted.
They're really popular. Some people say they're like the Beatles of our generation.
14-year-old Alexis Allen owns this pair, but she won't be using them. She has plans for them.
Use them to raise awareness for my foundation by raffling them off.
At the age of 12, Alexis started the Blue Lion Foundation, born from this manila folder. It's an idea to help as many people as she can. Alexis started with the simple idea of feeding needy families. Her long-term goal is to build a medical facility in Haiti. She's not asking for money, not yet. Right now, she just wants to raise awareness. And with the Jonas Brothers tickets up for grabs, not only is it creative, it's certain to draw a lot of attention.
It's really easy to sign up. All you have to do is put your name and email address, and then once you signed up, then you get a link, and then you give that to other people, and they have to click on the link and then put their name and email address.
It's a family affair as well. Alexis' sister, Summerlee, won the tickets, and without thinking, she gave them to Alexis for her foundation. Family and friends will be here in North Park to give them away on Saturday, and Dad, proud as can be, has set his daughters in the right direction.
One of the things I've always taught her was that everything that you see around you just started with an idea.
Somebody told me I can't do it, and that kind of gets me fired up.
This is the Lakeview Pavilion here at North Park, where on Saturday there's going to be several hundred people here, most of them screaming kids, clamoring for those Jonas Brother tickets. The picnic starts at 2 o'clock. The drawing will be held at 4 o'clock. You have until Saturday morning to sign up as many people as you can through the Blue Lion Foundation. Each time you do sign somebody up, your name will go into that raffle, increasing your chances to win. By the way, there's another set, a third set of tickets that will be just given away randomly to folks who show up here to support the Blue Lion Foundation on Saturday. At North Park, Keith Jones, KDKA TV News.